In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Dynamic Island on Poco C75. Open the Play Store, install this application Dynamic Spot. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Now tap on Next. Allow all these access. I will simply allow it one by one. Now from here, select the apps. Now go back. Tap on Notification Access. Now select the Dynamic Spot from here. Tap on this toggle to allow the notification access. Check this box. Tap on OK. Now tap on Draw on Screen. Tap on No Restrictions. Now tap on Draw on Screen. Tap on Next. Tap on Downloaded Apps. Tap on Dynamic Spot. Tap on this toggle. Check this box. Wait for the OK message. Tap on OK. Now tap on Done. Now go in position. As you can see here, Dynamic Spot is showing. Here you get the customization. For example, I want to move Dynamic Island on the upper side, so I will simply tap on Position Vertical. Now it is looking good. So this is how you can enable Dynamic Island on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.